Okay, so here we are. We're looking at the dilution activity on your paper. I'm looking at page 10. And what you're supposed to do is grab 6 tubes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you're supposed to use a pipette and a pipette bulb. Okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab your pipette. Let's see if I can't get this a little bit higher here. You grab your little pipette. You're going to open it. I'm not wearing gloves because I'm simulating all this. I don't have any microorganisms here. I just want to show you how to do it. But you're going to open this a little bit. Okay, you're going to turn the numbers there towards you so you can read them. Okay, and then you're going to put your little bulb on there. And your protocol says that you're supposed to take 1 milliliter out of each one of these. Okay, and the reason for that is because you're going to put 1 milliliter into the first tube. You're going to make sure that that's nice and tight, and then you're going to shake it. Okay, and then you're going to take 1 milliliter out of that, put it into the second one, make sure it's nice and tight. You're going to shake it, and so what you're doing is you're turning 1 milliliter into 10 milliliters. That's why this is a 10x dilution, and then a 100x dilution, and a 1000x dilution. Okay, so you're gonna go ahead and light your little Bunsen burner. My hands look huge and hairy in this camera. Scary. Anyways, I'm gonna light my little Bunsen burner. There it is. And I'm going to grab my culture. Let's say that this is my E. coli. Just like before, guys. Back of the hand, like so. You're gonna unscrew it. Okay, you're gonna flame it. Okay, just like so. And then using this guy, we're going to go ahead and suck up 1 ml. So what I do is, let's see here. Stick it in there. I'm going to suck up 1 milliliter, which is all the way to the 0. Once I reach the 0, I'm going to pull it out. I'm going to keep on sucking a little bit. Okay, I'm going to flame this guy, and I'm going to cap it. Once I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and grab my first tube. Okay, I'm going to grab my first tube. I'm going to go ahead and flame it. Flame, 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 flame. And then I'm going to put my 1 ml in there. Like so. And then I'm going to flame it. Flame, flame, flame. Okay. Once I have done that, there it is. I'm going to go ahead and resheath my pipette so nothing gets contaminated. I'm going to take this guy. I'm going to shake it so it's homogeneous. And then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to transfer 1 ml from here to the next tube. I'm going to shake it. I'm going to transfer 1 ml from here to the next tube. Make sure to label them so you don't lose count of what you're doing. There should be 10 to negative first, 10 to negative second, 10 to negative third, so on and so forth. Okay? Once you're ready, you're going to grab 6 petri dishes. You grab 6 petri dishes. There's my petri dish. And I'm going to take my pipette, and I'm going to do 1/10 of an ml. That's it. It's actually very little. So flame it, and I'm going to put it in there. I'm going to suck up 1/10. That's it. Flame it. And I'm going to go ahead and open my lid a little bit. I'm going to open my lid a little bit. And then I'm going to add my solution dropwise. Low drop there, and a low drop over here, and a low drop over here, low drop over here. That's about it. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and resheath my pipette. And now I'm going to take a stir bar, a spreading bar. They're blue. We're going to take one out aseptically. We're going to push it to the top. Okay. And then we're going to lift the lid just a little bit. We're going to put this in here, and then we're going to spread it up. We're going to spread it around the media, just like so. Okay. Usually you have a lazy Susan underneath this thing, and you turn it, but you know, there, nice and even. And then you cover it again. Bam, done. This goes into 70% isopropyl alcohol. Okay, so you're gonna do that. This is my 10 to negative first dish, and then I'm gonna do it again with my 10 to negative second, and then again with my 10 to negative third until I do all 6 petri dishes. Okay. When we're done, one of the dishes, I don't know which, it depends on your cell concentration, but one of the dishes is going to be countable. What does countable mean? Countable means that it has more than 30 colonies but less than 300. Okay? So when you're done, when these are done being incubated and you have colonies growing on them, I want you to take pictures of them. Okay? I'm going to upload a data sheet right now, but only the one that has more than 30 but less than 300 cells is the one that we're going to count, and we're going to use that information to figure out what the original cell density is. And if this sounds familiar, is because we did a dry lab at the beginning of the term that dealt with this. Okay, so that's it. That's what we're doing for this lab. I'll upload the data sheet in just a little bit.